And I think for a lot of healthcare providers, there's a recognition that we're back again, almost a Groundhog Day experience.
Dr. Stephen Thacker with Memorial Health says out of the more than 150 COVID patients hospitalized locally, 72 are at Memorial. That is a far cry from just a handful last month, but still less than half of the 180 that were hospitalized here in September due to the Delta variant.
We're just assuming that as we make new diagnosis, the likelihood that this is due to Omicron is very high. And what we're seeing with this resurgence is that there are less individuals that are finding their way to the ICU compared to prior surges, which is a good thing.
But he says the challenge now for healthcare systems is having enough beds and staff to take care of all the new patients who still need to be hospitalized.
Every health system has learned a lot throughout this pandemic on how to manage the surge of patients due to this coronavirus and still take care of all the other non-coronavirus related illnesses in the community.
Thacker says the majority of those hospitalized have not been vaccinated and that they have 3 pediatric patients. He's urging parents to have their children vaccinated. He is hopeful this surge won't last much longer.
Based on some of the better models that we have around this new variant, I would be hopeful that in Chatham County, we're talking about having reached our peak in the next week.
Thacker stresses that while many may not be getting as sick with Omicron, some are. They do have 13 patients in the ICU. He says the health community will hold up because that's what they do, but he still urges people to get vaccinated and boosted to prevent them from needing the hospital at all.
When we're recognizing that we're taking care of a patient who may have a bad outcome, and this is something that could have been avoided, it weighs on you.
Joanne Merrigan, WSAV News 3 on your side.